Are you struggling to figure out how to get girls? If you can't seem to get the girl of your dreams, then it's time to learn the 13 rules you must know. Let's face it, getting a girl isn't as easy as it looks. You could be a good-looking guy, but if you don't know how to talk to girls, you're going to have a hard time. Did you know that over 85% of guys feel like they don't know how to get girls? This statistic is shocking. It shows that so many guys are having a hard time getting the girl of their dreams. So, what are the secrets to success? How can you become the man who knows how to get girls? By the end of this video, you will see that getting girls doesn't have to be hard. We will show you 13 key rules to follow that will help you get the girl of your dreams. Let's start. Number 13. Don't impress girls. More than 80% of relationships fail within the first year for the same reason. The guy tried too hard to impress the girl instead of just being himself. Girls want someone who is genuine and can make genuine connections. If you try too hard to impress her, it's likely she won't be interested. So instead of trying to show off your skills or brag, focus on having a meaningful and engaging conversation. Ask her questions about her life and interests, and answer her questions with genuine thoughts. Show her you're interested in getting to know her, not just trying to get her attention. Now you might be wondering, why does this matter? Well, when a girl finds someone she connects with, she is more likely to continue the relationship. If you can make a genuine connection with her, she will be more likely to stay interested in you in the long term. So rather than trying to impress her with flashy things, focus on connecting with her emotionally. Number 12. Control your emotions and reactions. Studies show that men who can control their emotions are seen as more attractive by women. A survey of 1,000 women found that men who can stay calm and composed in difficult situations are more desirable than those who react emotionally. This is because a man who can control his emotions shows that he is mature, responsible, and dependable. Women also find this type of man more attractive because it suggests that they have the strength and courage to take action and make decisions. On the other hand, men who are unable to control their emotions appear to be less reliable, and women are less likely to trust them. Showing that you can control your emotions is not only attractive to women, it's also important for developing healthy relationships. Number 11. Never slow down for a woman. Women don't want to feel like they're being pursued, they want to feel like they're being courted. Showing a woman you're willing to take the time to get to know her and share her life experiences is more attractive than just trying to get her. In fact, studies show that women are more likely to go for men who take their time getting to know them than those who rush into things. Women want to be respected and feel valued in a relationship. Number 10. If you're going to be something, don't go full throttle. It's important to remember that women can spot sincerity from a mile away, and if you are too obvious or too forward in your approach, it will turn them off. Show your interest in a more subtle way and be creative, but don't be too obvious. If you make her laugh, it will help break the ice and make her more receptive to getting to know you better. Know when to back off and don't be too aggressive. Respect her space and boundaries and don't be pushy. If she's not interested, don't take it personally. It's not a reflection of you, but rather a reflection of her preferences. Number 9. Contain yourself. Containing yourself is an essential rule for getting girls. This means controlling your emotions and sexual urges. In men, hormones and a lack of understanding of relationships can make this difficult. Containing your emotions is important so you don't overwhelm the girl. If you're an emotional wreck, it can put her in a situation she's not comfortable with. The same goes for sexual urges. It's creepy and will give a bad impression to everyone in the room. A recent study found that men are more likely to have uncontrolled emotions and sexual urges than women. Containing yourself and controlling your emotions and sexual urges is key to getting the girl. Number 8. Keep clean. Getting girls is no easy task, especially in the teenage years when hormones are running high. To make sure you stand out from the crowd, it's important to keep yourself clean. This means taking regular showers, brushing your teeth, and combing your hair. According to a study conducted by Harvard University, it takes only 7 seconds for someone to form an impression of you. So make sure you look presentable and smell nice. It's also important to note that acne is common in teenagers, and there are ways to manage it and keep your skin looking healthy. Taking care of yourself is a surefire way to make girls take notice, so remember to keep clean and stay confident. Number 7. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is essential if you want to attract girls. It's not just about making yourself look good on the outside, it's also about building your character and improving yourself on the inside. Taking time to focus on yourself and improve your skills can make a huge difference in your success with women. For example, if you're shy or have difficulty with conversation, practice with friends and family. Little things like this can help you become more confident and better able to hold a conversation. For those who are already confident, investing in yourself can also mean taking classes or workshops to enhance your skills. It could be anything from cooking classes to learning a new language. Number 6. Be a good talker. Being a good talker is key to getting girls. To do this, you must be confident in your approach and your voice, as they will leave an impression. Don't be macho or a fake alpha, but instead relax and be confident that nothing bad will happen. Additionally, you must switch up the conversation between humor, interests, common interests, flirting, and goals in order to keep it interesting and fresh. If you want to avoid upsetting her, don't talk about religion, politics, or things that are too sexual. Finally, smile and be friendly. Say hi in the hallways, smile at her in class, and other such small interactions, as it will show you are interested without being desperate. Studies have shown that people who smile more are seen as more attractive by potential partners. So remember, be confident, switch it up, and smile in order to get that girl of your dreams. Number 5. Work on your personality. If you're looking to get girls, the best thing to do is work on your personality. A shocking fact is that, even though most guys don't realize it, girls take note of everything you do. That means if you talk smack to her friend, she's going to hear about it. If you get into a fight with someone, she's going to hear about it. So if you want to get girls, you need to change this behavior. The key is to be genuine, not some false persona that you put on to try and get into her pants. Show that you have respect for other people and yourself. Be kind, caring, and understanding. Be the kind of person who listens to what people have to say and shows an interest in them. Number 4. Don't be clingy. If you want to get the girl, it's essential to show that you're a caring person who respects her boundaries. Don't be a clingy guy who is possessive and controlling. This will only push her away. Being clingy can affect her social life and make her feel suffocated, and that's a major turn-off. You might be tempted to get mad and jealous when you see her talking to another guy, but don't. Remember, she's not dating you, and she doesn't know why you're upset. Plus, it leaves a bad impression on everyone. A recent study found that girls are more attracted to men who are emotionally stable than those who are clingy. So if you want to get the girl, be caring, not clingy. Number 3. Be better looking than most people. If you want to get girls, you need to look good. This means taking care of your appearance and having a good sense of style. Put some effort into picking out clothes that fit you well and are appropriate for the occasion. Make sure your skin is clear and your hair is well groomed. Get your teeth whitened and keep them clean. Keep your nails manicured. All of these things may seem small, but they can make a huge difference in how attractive you appear to women. It's all about making a good first impression. Number 2. Never be needy of her attention. Never be in need of her attention. It's a mistake men make all too often, and it's one that can cost you the girl. By being needy, you come across as someone who is desperate for her attention and approval. No girl wants to feel like she's your only source of joy and happiness. Instead, it's far better to project a sense of confidence and security in yourself. If a girl senses that you're dependent on her for her self-esteem, she'll almost certainly feel uncomfortable and distance herself from you. Research has found that over 80% of women prefer a partner who is confident in themselves and independent. A shocking fact is that most women decide whether to accept a man's advances within the first 3 minutes of meeting him. This means that it's essential to come across as a confident man right away, rather than someone who is needy of her attention. Number 1. Be independent. Being independent is an attractive quality in a man. Women are naturally drawn to individuals who can stand on their own 2 feet, take care of themselves, and are secure in their own skin. It shows a woman that you are a capable, confident, and reliable partner. Start by focusing on yourself. Develop your own interests, hobbies, and skills, and make them a priority. Take responsibility for your own finances, career, and well-being. Women love a man who can provide for himself and has something special to offer. Final thoughts. The purpose of this video was to provide you with 13 rules to help you get girls. Remember that every girl is different, and what works with one may not work with another. Be authentic, confident, and kind, and you will find success. With these rules in mind, you can approach any girl with confidence and make a good impression. Now, you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you how low-value men talk to women. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.